Okay, and of course, what does they have to start out with?
Oh, they're free.
Don't remind me. So these are flamingos. I heard a bird. I had a bird scare yesterday
Why?
because they were. There was a bird in the house because Ivy wanted to get a bird, and she got a bird. Okay, we're gonna go around this way. I'm a little nervous of that area because they're free. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, good.
Good.
I got a little nervous because I have a fear of birds, so it's like
A lot of people do here, even some of the workers.
but they don't really do anything. Like they're not really.
No, they're harmless, especially those ones over there. They can't even fly.
Oh, okay,
They won't bother you.
okay. No, it's not against the animals. I just I get nervous around them because I when I was younger and
His
in
fault.
yeah at an aviary. There was a thing that said, "Do not put your finger in the cage; bird will bite." Well, I was at 4 years old. I was like,
Just curious.
just curious, and yep, yeah, I
You
did.
got bit?
Yeah, and then since then, it's just like I've been afraid of them.
Aww.
But
Well, hopefully, being here, seeing them, because we do have an aviary, maybe you can get over your fear.
Well, he's a regular.
You should try though. We have like down there by the aviary, we do have another feed stand that makes out bird sticks, and they